Hello guys. So in this small video, I'm going to show you how I use AI, especially ChatGPT, to generate better images, to improve my current texture of the images. Let's say I want to improve my background, the background image of that image, no, the background color of that image, maybe change the design of that image. This is one of those ways I use AI. Also, you can use AI to generate images. I'm going to show you how the kind of prompts I give AI so that it can give me better images, and also some of the websites I kind of like using if I want to kind of like, let's say something like upscale an image. One of those is upscale and another one is Canva. I'm going to show you how that works. It's quite easy. So to begin with, I'm going to start with prompts. I think when AI came out, what most individuals focused on was prompts, and I think up to today, most of these YouTube tutorials you're seeing, it's individuals generating prompts. So I'm focusing on prompts on the aspect of, let's say you have an image and you want to improve its quality. How can you use AI to improve that quality? The key is having better prompts. That's it. If you have better prompts, that's it. You can make any image into the desire you want. Now, I have all these prompts in like a PDF. It's like a lot. I have like 50 prompts of it on how you can use AI to kind of just like improve that image. Like in this case, you can see I'm providing a prompt and then I'm giving a specific thing like you can make sure that the aspect ratio is 1 to 1 and the design should be like 1024 times 1024 pixel, and then there's some descriptions I have there above to get the prompts I need. And then when I provide a shoe, like here you can see I provided a Greeky men's Chelsea leather boot. ChatGPT recognizes that this is that kind of a shoe and it's reading the kind of a shoe that I kind of posted. So it will improve the quality of the shoe based on the prompt I provided above, which is quite impressive actually, considering that this is just, I think I was using ChatGPT 3 if I'm not wrong, either 3, no, I think 4. The initial 4 when ChatGPT 4 kind of just came into being. So from here you can see it understands the image and then it understands what it's supposed to do, and then it asks me for specific details. How do you want this shoe to appear, the one you posted? And then I tell it, you know what, can you just make the shoe a formal wear and let the shoe be leather? And another thing also specified is the comfort. The comfort level just said let the shoe be let it be a comfort shoe. Let me stop this, my browser is loading, and you can see the kind of an image you got. And I mean, it's kind of an improved, it's a very improved image. Just a minute. Let me refresh. I mean, look at that shoe. It's very clean, well designed. It has been upscaled. The color texture, it's just amazing. Then it's asking me what side of the shoe do you want to see. Then I tell it, can I see the side view of the shoe? Then it generates the side view of that Chelsea boot, and you can see the design. It's really eye catching. Here's the side view of the Chelsea boot showcasing its design. Then it's asking me, can we proceed to see the top view of the shoe? And then I say yes, please do. And then you can see the top view of the shoe over there. I mean, it's generating a really good and quality image. Then I provided this. I mean, can you see this? It's like a really ugly shoe. And then I say, can you do the same on this shoe on how you did the above? And you can see the kind of images it's generating. It's generating really quality images, which is something I think as a developer, as a designer, is something that we can use to kind of develop, to kind of improve the quality of images we offer on sites, especially on the ones that we suggest to customers. You can see the same with this shoe. This is a lightweight boot MT. I tell you do the same as you did above. Of course, I didn't specify some of the things I wanted to capture, but you can say it gets the image. And I say, and also here you can see it actually even makes a mistake, and I tell it that's not correct, just do your thing. I tell it just do your thing, and then it remembers the initial prompt that I had provided. It improves the quality of the shoe a little bit. Some of these images, some of them are like really futuristic, so I kind of just choose the image that I see best fit my need at the time. You can see also say do the same thing with this image, so it has that ability to identify the kind of an image that I posted. It's reading the content of that image and then improving the image based on the prompt I provided earlier. Like you can see on this image, it captures this ghost like creature on the shoe, and we can see the scar like creature down here. I mean, it's really impressive. I can use this shoe on the e-commerce than the other one, or I can use both, but on one I can use an improved quality, an improved version of the initial one, and it can improve, and it can be really eye-catching to the person buying such a shoe. I mean, look at that blend of green and gold at the background. It's just amazing. This is one of the way I saw I can use ChatGPT to kind of improve my images. I know there are other sites there like there's so many sites which you can improve, uh, models like Darrell. There's this other site which I'm forgetting the name. Mid Journey, yeah, Mid Journey, but I kind of don't like Mid Journey that much. Look at that blend of green at the background. It's really amazing. I have all these prompts. If you want these prompts, if you want this chart, find it on the link below. uh, on that link you'll see how I can use ChatGPT to do things like logo, to create better logos, to create branding if I want to create branding for my company, how I can use that context to kind of create something that blends both the background of that site, the logos, the images, the branding to kind of all fit together and deliver something really meaningful to the client, or if you are the client, in on how you can improve the aesthetic nature of your website using ChatGPT. It's really amazing. Something else, you can also improve on the quality of the image. I mean, if you have generated one image and then there was like, you can just click on the images, it was taking long to load, but I'll get back to it later. Another thing I saw I can use ChatGPT is to generate images. It's not only improving images, you can also generate images. This is one of the prompts that I provided to ChatGPT. I told it to generate 4 images based on that prompt I provided above, and generate such an image, such a sneaker. And you can see the kind of a sneaker they generate. And then I tell it, how about you separate those sneakers? Because if you look at here above, they are kind of connected to one, 4 images into one, which is, I just wanted them separated. I tell it, please separate the images separately, maintain the aspect ratio. I think the aspect ratio is 1024 to 1024. And then I give it a prompt to kind of make a blend. You see, make a greenish background with a blend of gold to the image, and you can see the improvement it made on that image. It's really aesthetic, it's really eye pleasing. You can choose the image that best suit your needs, and if you still don't like the design, you can click on the image and also, yeah, like this, you click on the image and also edit the image by providing, like, let's say I want to change the background to be bluish or to also be greenish somehow and make the shoe golden in some way. I can just change here by like writing a prompt. Writing a prompt on this area, they are saying edit an image, and it's going to change the appearance of that image. Now that's one way in which I can use ChatGPT. Another way is to use websites. For example, Upscale. This is a website that I saw that can help upscale the images that you have. If you see from the description of the site, they are saying good is not good enough, which is very true. We can always make something better. So with this site, it's like free, it's an open source site. So just go to download and then download the version, download the upscale you want based on the computer version of yours, install it, and then the process is like really simple. Another one I saw is Canva. Just navigate to Canva and then go to apps, go to Canva. If you don't have Canva, create an account on Canva, go to apps. Then on apps, search an app called Enhancer. Enhancer, you search an app called Enhancer. This enhancer helps you to also kind of upscale the image and also enhance the quality of that image to make it look better. You see, just search for enhancer, you will see that app, or alternatively you can just google Canva enhancer. I will provide the link below. You can just click that link below and go to that site to enhance or rather upscale your image. So when it's loading, it's taking longer to load. Just give it a minute. Now it has loaded successfully. Then all you have to do is choose an image and then enhance that image. You see, just choose file, just select choose file. Then when the file has been uploaded, just click enhance that image. It's going to improve to enhance the quality of that image. Everything will be a little bit detailed. The color, the wixes, the blending, it will be enhanced. I see, like now I'm uploading an image. It takes some time to upload this image. I'm just gonna increase the speed so that it can upload faster. We uploaded the image successfully. Then we clicked enhance image. So now you can see the original image and you can see the enhanced image upscaled by 500%. If I can just zoom in on this image, you can see the difference between the original image and this upscaled image. Let me just zoom in. Let me just zoom in this image. You can just zoom in on this image and you will see that the image has been upscaled. It has been enhanced and it looks better than the initial one. Sometimes it can be difficult to see the difference. So especially if that image that you've uploaded also has like a quality, um, it's of quality, it can be difficult to see the difference. But if you're using like old images or like an image that's just out of fashion, it's very easy to see that difference. Now these are some of the ways in which I can use AI to enhance my images. I have many ways in which I can use AI. Everything that I can use AI for is highlighted on the template I have provided below. All the prompts, it has like 50 prompts in there. If you want it, you can use it to generate, but to improve the images that you're generating for your business, your brand, and whatever you're using AI for. Yeah, and this can be the beginning of better image enhancement now and in future. Thank you.